This is a hint for something that you could possibly see on a homework problem. I want you to be ready for it. I won't tell you which number. You can figure that out. If there's something like this in the homework, you'll know it. Let's draw a picture of this box. Okay. And let's say that this side here is 20. You say 20 what? 20 feet, 20 inches? Okay, let's say 20 feet. Okay. And then let's extend the box backwards so it's multidimensional. All right. There you go. More interesting. Let's call this distance x. And then we can call this distance to the back y. Okay, and we want to note that there are 6 sides to the box. 6 sides if you count each of the sides. Now, let's say that we're given that the volume is equal to 36,000, and those would be in cubic feet, so feet cubed. Okay, so what is the volume of a box? It's going to be the edge times the other edge. So the volume will replace with the edge, 20, times the other edge, x, times the other edge, y, equals 36,000. I'll put a star here because that's a nice equation. We'll come back to it later. Let's say you're also told that the surface area, and when you think of surface area, you should think of the amount of paper you would have to use to wrap up this box. They tell us that it's equal to 7,200, and those units are in feet squared, square feet. Okay, so what is the formula for the surface area, the area that you're going to wrap? Well, that one is interesting because you know we have 6 sides, but each of those sides have it's really more like 3 sides, and then we double it because each opposite side is exactly the same dimension. So one side is x times y. That's the area of the side, x times y. But there's 2 of them, so we'll write 2 times x times y, plus the other side is 20, the side 20 times x. But there's 2 of them, so we'll do 2 times 20 times x. And one more pair of sides, that's a side that is 20 by y, 20 times y. But there's 2 of them, so it's 2 times 20 times y. And that's the entire surface area. It's equal to 7,200. Let's clean that up. That's 2xy plus 40x plus 40y equals 7,200. I like this one too. I like this equation. I'll put another star here. So we're looking at this star equation for the volume and this star equation, whoops, went too far, for the surface area. That forms a system of equations. Thus, here's our system. Equation A is 20xy equals 36,000. And that would be our equation A. And the other one is 2xy plus 40x plus 40y equals 7,200. That's our equation B. So we formed a system of equation for this word problem. And I'm not going to finish the whole problem because I set it up for you. I will tell you what to do next. Now solve equation B, not for x, but for x times y. You see, keep it simple. Just solve for x times y. And what then? Substitute that into equation A. And then I'll just put etc., etc. You figure out the rest. Okay? But that's a great hint to get you started. If you have any questions, post it on the discussion board.